I bet you didn't know your Jeep could be hiding a problem that might cost you thousands, without warning. If you own a Jeep Cherokee, you can't afford to miss this. If you drive a 2016 to 2021 Jeep Cherokee, especially a Trailhawk, this one's for you. There's a not-so-little issue popping up that's got a lot of owners talking, and trust me, you want to know about it. Ever seen a Service 4 WD Light or AWD System Service Required message? Maybe your Jeep threw out a code. C14A7-97, that's pointing straight at your Power Transfer Unit or PTU motor. The PTU is a critical part of your Jeep's all-wheel drive system. It's basically a gearbox that transfers power from the transmission to the rear wheels, allowing your Jeep to switch between front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive as needed. This is what gives your Jeep its all-wheel drive magic, especially in tough conditions like snow, mud, or off-road trails. When the PTU is blocked, jammed, or busted, you could lose AWD capability, right when you need it most. Imagine being stuck in deep snow or mud, and suddenly your Jeep can't send power to the rear wheels. That's a real risk. So, why does the PTU fail? The most common reason is internal wear and tear. The PTU is sealed, but over time the internal gears and bearings can break down, especially if the unit isn't properly lubricated. Some owners have reported that the PTU overheats, leaks fluid, or the internal clutch packs wear out prematurely. Water intrusion and poor sealing can also cause the PTU to fail. It's what Jeep calls a manufacturer communication, S1721000016, NHTSA ID 102474452. This isn't a recall, but a technical bulletin alerting dealers to the issue. Translation? Dealers know about it, but you're not getting an automatic free fix. They have to diagnose it first, and you might be looking at a $3,000 to $4,000 repair if your PTU's shot. Let's take a look at what Jeep owners are actually saying online about PTU failures. The forums and social media are buzzing with stories, complaints, and advice. One Reddit user wrote, "My 2017 Cherokee started making a grinding noise at 60k miles. Dealer says it's the PTU and quoted me $3,500. Another owner in a Jeep Facebook group shared, "Lost AWD in the middle of a snowstorm. The dashboard lit up like a Christmas tree. Dealer said it's a common issue but no recall." There are plenty of similar stories. "Burning smell from under the car, then a loud clunk and no more power to the rear wheels," posted one frustrated driver. Others mention, "I've replaced my PTU twice already, first time under warranty, second time out of pocket." Some owners offer advice like, "If you hear whining or feel vibrations, get it checked ASAP, don't wait for the warning light." And a few have found creative solutions. "I swapped in a used PTU from a salvage yard to save money, so far so good." The community is also quick to support each other with comments like, "Document everything, push for goodwill repairs, and share your experience so others know what to watch for." Bottom line, Jeep owners are dealing with this in real time, and their stories can help you spot the signs early and maybe even save some cash. Owners on Reddit are frustrated. Some report hearing grinding noises, feeling vibrations, or noticing a burning smell from under the vehicle. Others say their Jeep suddenly loses power to the rear wheels, especially during acceleration or when driving on slippery roads. Some say their 4WD lights up at highway speeds, and the vehicle may even go into limp mode, reducing power to protect itself. Others have replaced the PTU, sometimes more than once. One owner shared that after a PTU failure, their Jeep would shudder and make loud clunking noises every time they tried to accelerate. One even had to swap out their rear differential after the PTU failed and leaked oil, causing further damage. So what can you do? When heading to your dealer, mention S1721000016 and NHTSA ID 102474452. Bring any warning lights, noises, or symptoms to their attention. Ask for a full inspection of the PTU actuator and internals. If you notice fluid leaks, odd noises, or loss of traction, don't ignore it. Driving with a failing PTU can lead to more expensive repairs, like damage to the transmission or rear differential. Check if you're still under warranty and get everything in writing. If you're out of warranty, ask about goodwill repairs or partial coverage. If you've dealt with this, drop your story below. Sharing your experience can help other owners spot the signs early, like subscribe and comment with your Jeep model. Let's help each other out and stay ahead of the curve.